Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? It's your guy J-Day here in the kitchen cooking with Miss Lisaselotte. She's preparing el pescado y camarone con coco y dumpling. Correct? Correct. Okay. So that's, yeah, she's washing the fish, you know, cleaning everything out. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step what she's doing. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Yeah. I bought some cane fish, which I know about that. So y'all be sure to tune in for more. I'm gonna have her. She's preparing it how she like to prepare it. I don't know. I'm just watching. So y'all stay tuned for more, and I'll be back. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys. All right. So she done sazon the pescado and the camarones. It looks amazing, amazing. And now she's doing the dumpling. Now, Shamu said that the dumpling, normally when the people eat the dumpling, they only eat it with salami and egg. Yeah. That's what the poor people eat. That's what the poor people eat it with, Shamu.
Yeah, the poor people eat the dumpling with salami, egg, and sometimes with chicken.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But rich people, camarón, fish, yeah, with coconut.
But I ain't rich. I ain't rich. But it looks really good. She's got it all beat up and everything. With corn. It's with cornmeal, right? Okay, guys, I'm back. And she done prepared the dumplings. They're boiling. Looks really, really good. Oh yeah, baby. Looks really, really good. And she made those with like cornmeal. I don't know. Hey, what you call it in Spanish? Corn. I think they call it, I don't know what you call it, but I think she mixed it with cornmeal and flour. Yeah, so now she's gonna do the fish and the camarones, right? Yeah, she's gonna cook that in coconut milk. Yes, y'all know I love coconut milk. Excuse the lighting, you know, this is we in DR, y'all, so the lighting isn't so good, but we gonna work with what we got here, all right? So y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, the dumplings are nice and ready, and we just waiting on the pescado, so y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Cooking here with the beautiful Lisaselotte, and I'll be back, guys. All right, she getting busy in here, y'all. She getting busy in her. Smells amazing. It smells really, really good. So she's stewing that down. Vegetables, onions, and all of that. Howdy too, y'all. But yeah, she doing all of that. I guess she gonna put the coconut milk in, some, and then put the fish in, the shrimp in. So y'all stay tuned for that. Everything looks amazing, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, guys, so now she's at the step where she's adding the shrimp in. So she's stewing that down with the onions and peppers. Smells amazing. Smells really, really good. What y'all know about Afro beats? What y'all know about that? No one that's like no other. No other. No one that's like no other. So yeah, we just gonna let that cook one down, and then she's gonna add the fish. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got some light in there. Oh yeah, baby. Dumpling. What y'all know about dumpling? What y'all know about that? Oh yeah. She made a lot too. Love a woman that can cook. Super plus, right? So y'all stay tuned for the aftermath. We just gonna let that cook down. You know, I'm letting her take completely control. You know, cause y'all know how I give it up in the kitchen. Like I ain't a stranger to anything when it comes to cooking food in the kitchen. But I'm just sitting here taking notes. You know, yesterday she made some pollo guisado con coco Yo, it was so good. It was really, really good. So I'm like anxious to see how this tastes. I know it's gonna taste just as good as the pollo casado. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be back, all right? All right, guys, so we're back. She's got the shrimp cooking. Oh man, it smells amazing. It's the coconut milk for me. Oh man. Muy bueno, muy bueno. So now you put this pescado. Okay. So now the next step, she's gonna add the pescado in there, and let that cook. Oh man. No grease. Just stew down like that. I mean, I kind of do it similar, but she's normally like I would fry mine and then stew it down in the coconut milk, but she has her own way, and I think this is a more healthier way of doing it because you don't have to worry about a whole lot of grease. Yeah. I can't wait to try that, man. I know it's gonna be so good. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so she gonna let that stew down and add all of that rest of that flavor. Oh yeah, that's where all the flavor is. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so there you have it. I guess that you should let it stew down for maybe about a good 15-20 minutes till the fish gets done, and then we're gonna eat that with the dumpling. Y'all stay tuned for more, and I'll be back. All right, you be back? All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, so she is finished. It smells amazing. Dumplings done. Pescado, camarones. Oh man, I can't wait. I love coconut milk. Oh yeah, man, it looks amazing. Yes, looks really, really good, guys. So there you have it. The end result, dumpling, pescado, y camarones con coco. I'm ready to try it and see how it tastes. I gotta do a taste test for the camera. For the camera. I wanna, so that people can.
Oh yeah, you have to put it in the plate.
Yeah. But look, I'll be back. She's gonna make the plate. Once it's ready, I'll let y'all know how it tastes. Y'all stay tuned, all right? I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. So now it's time for a moment of truth. It looks amazing. Let's see here.
Go sit down, mi mano. We're gonna bring for you.
Okay. All right. They showing me Dominicana hospitality, baby.
Yeah, in
here?
here.
Okay.
In here, mi mano.
So I'm gonna have it in here.
Yeah,
Try it. And see here.
Yeah, you tranquilo.
Oh,
Open, close the lid, mi
Okay.
mano.
There we go. There we go. Just like that.
Be careful, mi mano. Be careful. It's very hot, okay?
Muy caliente. So let's see here, guys. Let me try some of this dumpling. Oh yeah. Guys. Oh yeah. The fish, the sauce, the coconut milk and the sauce. When I tell y'all, amazing. Man, when I tell y'all this girl can cook, we're talking about marriage material right here. Yeah, this is how you do it. This is definitely how you do it. Something different. Never had this before. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. A kingfish is so good, guys. Well, with that being said, guys, if y'all like this video, be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support. It's your guy here in Puerto Plata, Dominicano Estilo, baby. Y'all already know what time it is. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Peace and love.